Hello, and let me introduce you to PROLIGHTS' latest compact LED moving profile. The new Astra Profile400 is a compact, bright, multi-use indoor luminaire with an ultra-efficient LED engine. Its 400 watt, 7000 Kelvin white source delivers over 17,500 lumens of beautifully flat, white light through a 6 to 50 degree zoom. The compact size hides an incredible number of features, including a 4-layer framing shutter system, an animation wheel, 7 interchangeable gobos, CMY colour mixing, linear CTO, frost, prism and an iris. All of which that can be overlaid to give an almost unlimited selection of stunning looks. The luminaire has precise, quiet and accurate movement, no matter how fast or slow. To make it even more flexible, the fixture has inbuilt wireless DMX, supporting both Lumen Radio CRMX and Wireless Solutions WDMX. In summary, the Astra Profile400 is an accurate, bright and compact fixture with an extensive feature set, and it is at home on an event, on tour, on a theatre stage or in a studio. Plus, it's very competitively priced.